In a world that often feels divided and disconnected, the concept of biblical community holds immense power. Within the pages of the Bible, we find a blueprint for unity, generosity, and love that can transform our lives and the lives of those around us. By embracing these values, we can build strong and enduring relationships, create a sense of belonging, and make a tangible impact on our communities. In this article, we will delve into the strength of biblical community, exploring how unity, generosity, and love can be unveiled and harnessed to bring about positive change in our lives and society. The strength of biblical community, unity, generosity, and love unveiled. Unity, binding together in harmony. Unity is a powerful force that can bridge divides, heal wounds, and foster an environment of love and acceptance. In biblical community, unity is not about conformity, but rather a celebration of diversity. It is about recognizing and appreciating the unique gifts and perspectives that each individual brings to the table. When we come together in unity, we create a space where everyone feels valued and included, regardless of their background or circumstances. This unity empowers us to tackle challenges collectively, supporting one another and building each other up. It is through unity that we can truly make a difference in our communities and in the world. Generosity, sharing abundantly and selflessly. Generosity is a cornerstone of biblical community. It is the act of giving freely and abundantly, without expecting anything in return. In the Bible, we are encouraged to be generous with our time, resources, and talents. By practicing generosity, we not only meet the needs of others, but also experience a profound sense of fulfillment and purpose. When we give generously, we break down barriers and create bonds of trust and gratitude. Generosity enables us to create a culture of abundance, where everyone has enough and no one is left behind. In biblical community, generosity is not a burden but a joyful expression of love and compassion. Love, the foundation of biblical community. Love is the very essence of biblical community. It is the thread that weaves us together, binding us in a bond that is unbreakable. Love, as described in the Bible, is not a fleeting emotion but a conscious choice to put others before ourselves. It is selfless, patient, kind, and forgiving. Love compels us to reach out to the marginalized, care for the vulnerable, and stand up against injustice. In biblical community, love is not a mere sentiment but a transformative power that has the ability to heal, restore, and bring about lasting change. When we embody love in our relationships and interactions, we create an environment where everyone feels seen, heard, and valued. Discovering the power within unity, generosity, and love in biblical community. Biblical community holds the power to transform lives and society, but it requires active participation and intentional nurturing. To unlock the true potential of unity, generosity, and love within a biblical community, we must first recognize and appreciate the diversity of its members. By embracing our differences and celebrating each person's unique gifts and talents, we can create an environment of unity that fosters growth and collaboration. Generosity, too, must be cultivated and practiced within a biblical community. It is not enough to simply give when it is convenient or expected. Instead, we must strive to be generous in all aspects of our lives, freely sharing our time, resources, and talents. By doing so, we create a culture of abundance and foster an atmosphere of gratitude and reciprocity. Finally, love must permeate every aspect of biblical community. It is the foundation upon which unity and generosity are built. Love enables us to see beyond our differences, to empathize with one another, and to extend grace and forgiveness. It is through love that we can build deep and meaningful connections, supporting and uplifting one another through life's joys and challenges. In a world that often feels divided and disconnected, the power of biblical community lies in its ability to bring people together, to inspire generosity, and to cultivate love. By embracing unity, generosity, and love within our communities, we can create a ripple effect of positive change that extends far beyond our immediate circles. Let us strive to unveil and harness the power of biblical community, so that we may build a more inclusive, compassionate, and harmonious world for all.